Elementor Pro unleashes motion effects, a powerful toolset for creating amazing scrolling and mouse animations, including sophisticated parallax effects. Meet Motion Effects, a powerful set of controls for adding beautiful transitions and animations to your design. Elementor Pro 2.5 now offers an all-in-one solution for creating vertical scroll, classic parallax effect, horizontal scroll, transparency, blur, rotate, scale, mouse track, 3D tilt. Once you switch mouse track on, the element will react and move right, left, up or down in accordance to the cursor. Set the direction as opposite or direct to the mouse move, and increase the level of the effect by raising the speed scale.